To officially commence today's ceremony, it is our profound honor to invite Professor Ho Shun Man, the President of the Seng University of Hong Kong, to deliver his welcoming remarks.
As you embark on this new chapter, remember that your time at our university, though not very long, maybe 1 to 1.5 years, can be truly transformative. Embrace each challenge to push yourself beyond your limits and build lifelong connections. Your journey here is what you make it, and I encourage you to approach it with passion and determination.
So this year we chose the theme, Leading the Future, and also Beyond Imagination. Because everyone here, you can dream, and dream big, think beyond your box, always push your envelope, set high goals, but at the same time work very hard to achieve the goals together. We are living in a hugely competitive world. Challenges are all around us, which require knowledge not only from one single subject or discipline, which really require people from different cultures, different backgrounds, different disciplines to work together.
会唱的一起来。
命運就算顛沛流離，命運就算曲折離奇，命運就算恐嚇着你，做人無趣味，別流淚，心酸更不應捨棄，我願能一生永遠陪伴你。
Welcome to
HSU